Alright, we've got our leg pieces sewed and put together and stuffed. Here's the other one. That's for if you have if you're going to put shoes on them. And then our arms, we've stuffed that with the polyfill. Now we're going to cover the body. So remember, we cut this piece 21 inches square. Take this. And make sure you're covering the front side, not the back. Don't cover the back. And make sure you have about the same amount hanging over on each side. Good. So now we're going to take the top, which has our hole cut out. We'll pull this up. And what I do is I fold this under a little bit. And we're going to take our staple gun and put some staples in here. The same to the other side. And just tighten it up a little bit. So we have stapled around this part. So we've got our body cover there. So now we're going to tip it upside down for the seat. Staple here. Same thing over here. I'm folding it under a little bit. I'm going to stretch it tight so it's doesn't get too baggy on you. We'll come back up here. I'll fold this under. Here. Do the same to this side. Tuck it under. Stretch it a little bit. So now I'm going on my other piece here. I fold it in. I get it where I want it. And then we're going to staple here. Put another one up here. Good. Okay. Now, if your staples stick through here like mine do, I just take a pair of pliers and I bend it over so you don't catch your hand on there when you're sticking your hand in there. Okay, so now we got this part of the body or cover on around the top. Now we're just going to take polyfill and put it in your seat so you have a little bit of a padding. Now you have a bit of a pad there. And just wad up your material. Put a staple in there. Grab the other side. So now we got padding in here. I'm just going to spread it out a little bit in case I need a little more. So then I'll take this, and I just like to fold it under so I get a better grip here.